Welcome to the vlog. We are so close to 100k, so I want you all to subscribe and give us a little like. And it's my brother's birthday on Sunday, and Repu vaadu వాళ్ళ friends అందరు. I've got these guys. చూస్తున్నారా, they're actually pretty cute. Guys, look at these. These are highlighters. And well, this is one of Paradhi's gift. I got myself an eclairs. I love these chocolates. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Naveena. Ela unnaru andaru? So, welcome to the vlog. We are so close to 100k, so I want you all to subscribe and give us a little like. And it's my brother's birthday on Sunday, and Repu vaadu వాళ్ళ friends అందరికి he's giving a treat in the Adventure Island. So let's go make return gifts. Of course, పెద్ద సిస్టర్ అంటే ఊరికే వచ్చడం కాదు, గిఫ్ట్లు కూడా ఇవ్వాలి. వాడికి కాదు, వాళ్ళ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి కూడా. సో నౌ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు గో అండ్ మేక్ రిటర్న్ గిఫ్ట్స్. దానికి అన్ని కొనుక్కోవాలి, బ్యాగ్ అండ్ దాంట్లో పెట్టాల్సిన గిఫ్ట్స్, చాక్లెట్ చిప్స్ చాలా కొనాలి. సో ఐ టేక్ యూ త్రూ ది ఎంటైర్ ప్రాసెస్. అండ్ ఆల్సో నలుగురు అబ్బాయిలు, ఇద్దరు అమ్మాయిలు వస్తున్నారు. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు మేక్ అ వెరైటీ ఫర్ బోత్ బాయ్స్ అండ్ గర్ల్స్. సో కమ్, లెట్స్ గో డూ ఇట్. ఫేస్ మీద ఇంతకు ముందు బొట్టు లేదు, అందుకనే బొట్టు పెట్టుకున్నా. కోస్ ఐ కాంట్ సీ మై సెల్ఫ్ వితౌట్ అ బిందీ గైస్. అండ్ నౌ ఐ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ అ బ్యాగ్ దట్ ఫిట్స్ ఆల్ ద స్టఫ్ ఐఎమ్ గోనా బై. సో లెట్స్ సీ విచ్ వన్. దిస్ వన్, దీంట్లో అన్ని పడతాయి అనుకుంటా. వాట్ యు గైస్ థింక్? ఆర్ we have the classic white one, or ఇంకేముంది? ఓకే, లెట్స్ ఫైండ్ అనదర్ బ్యాగ్. ద బ్యాగ్, ఇదే మనం ఎత్తుకపోయే బ్యాగ్ ఈరోజు. అండ్ ఆల్సో ఐ మేడ్ సమ్ కాఫీ ఫర్ మై సెల్ఫ్. ఐ వాజ్ వర్కింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ హోమ్ టుడే, అందుకనే ఐ టుక్ షవర్, ఐ గాట్ రెడీ. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు ఆల్రెడీ 5 అయిపోయింది. సో ఇప్పుడు మనం వెళ్ళి విల్ గో డూ సమ్ షాపింగ్. అండ్ బయట చాలా చల్లగా ఉంది. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు పుట్ లైక్ 2-3 జాకెట్స్ టు మేక్ మీ ఫీల్ గుడ్. ఏం వేసుకుందాం? ఫౌండ్ ఇట్. సో నేను వేసుకోపోయే జాకెట్ ఇదే, దీనికి బిల్ కూడా తీయలేదు. ఇట్స్ ఎ న్యూ వన్. సో ఓకే, బయట చలికి సరిపోదు అనుకుంటా, బట్ యు నో వాట్, ఇట్ హ్యాస్ టు డూ ఇట్. ఓకే, క్యూట్. అండ్ మై బ్యాగ్ ఈజ్ ఆల్ బ్లాక్. మనం క్విక్గా పరిగెత్తుకుంటా లోపలికి వెళ్ళిపోతాం. సో మనకు చలి పుట్టకుండా ఈజీగా లోపలికి వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు. లెట్స్ గో. బయట చలి కొంచెం ఎక్కువ ఉన్నట్టుంది. జస్ట్ ఫర్ సేఫ్టీ విల్ పుట్ అ స్కార్ఫ్, ఎందుకంటే మరీ చలిలో వణుకుతే బాగుండదు కదా. ఓ రైట్, we're all ready. Let's go. Guys, all ready. We have to go now. బయట చలి ఎట్లుంటుందో, I am not ready for the cold. It's not zooming in. Come on, zoom. There we go. Okay, I've reached the store. Let's go get the trolley. £1. To also get the scan and go thing. Start shopping. Okay, we don't have that. I found a pretty tumbler, pink color the. Let's see. Can you guys see the pink one there? I want to get those. I've got these guys. Chusnara, they're actually pretty cute, but I don't know if the girls would like it. They're pretty young girls. Keep that as an option actually. Guys, look at these. These are highlighters and ivochesi ball pens. Maybe for the girls I can put 2 each. I'm buying everything for the girls only. Boys okkati kuda dorukaledu. I've got boys. These are boys coded. I can get these for the boys. Okay, now it's time to get the bags and mata to put the gifts. So I've got these options, but they look so small. I like this one. You get 8 bags, but the colors not match. Which color should I get? I like these two. One is like this, which has a design on the top, and the other one is literally star one. I think my brother's is a star, so we'll take the star one. Sorry. Guys, life was so easier when they were little babies. Chudandi, we could have bought them so many options. Ee crayons kuda konundachu, but now they are adults. Like, they're pre-teens. Ante ippudu vallaki demands anni untundannamata. Pichi pichi anni iste teeskoru. So hard. They've got some diary actually. 2026 diaries. Oh, maybe I can get one for myself. Okay, I've reached the actual water bottle section. Ante nijamaina pillala water bottle section. But oh my god, my pinny said it has to have a this is nice. Can you see it? It has snitch. It's nice. Wow, it's good. This is nice. I like this. This is also nice for the guys. But when a problem entante, we have to make sure that it has steel inside. If it's not steel inside, I can't buy it. So let's check. Yes. Okay, I've selected. This is also pretty cool. I've got 2 bottles now. We need 4 more. Oh my Is that Steve? I think that's Steve. Guys, change in plan. Paradhi wala friends ki aim gifts dorakledu. They were all like nothing for these preteen kids. So I'm just gonna buy a gift for Paradhi and not for his friends. We're just gonna take them out for lunch. Well, let's go buy gift for Paradhi. That is even hard decision. So first and I thought I'll buy him a book, yeah, because he reads so many books. But I don't know which one to buy him because all these are really adult books. I don't want to give him any adult book. I want it to be a kid book. And I saw a mic there. A mic ete gonista Paradhi ki, like a karaoke mic, which is gonna be fun. Come on, let's go. Okay, so this is the one I really liked for Paradhi. I'm gonna take this. Oh, that's to come now. So this is a karaoke mic. It's rechargeable up to 16 hours playback time, LED light show, charged via USB-C, Bluetooth. Well, this is one of Paradhi's gift. I'm gonna get him this. Okay. I don't know what else to get him, guys. Because I got myself an eclairs. I love these chocolates. Look at that. They're so nice. I got this. I also want to get a jam, guys. These are my favorite jam. This is their blueberry and this is their strawberry. So these are real fruit to chestaranamata, but I want blueberry today. It's a little expensive, but they're really nice. So you go in there. But ice cream session lo unnam, guys. This is my all-time favorite ice cream. I get that. Dani paina, if we put some choco chips, that's the best. Okay, now I have to get some eggs. Get the 12 we have picked. Oh, this is broken. Why? Why should I call you? The best bread in the whole wide world. The brioche bread. Chocolate chip. Ending onna chudandi. I came for something and I did shopping for something else. But I think mana kavalsinatu only we have. Let's go home now. Let's go. Actually, I want to get jelly too. Let's go get jelly. So we can have ice cream with choco chips and jelly. We've got so many varieties. We've got strawberry, raspberry, blackcurrant, lime. I think I'll just take strawberry. Strawberry jelly it is. Fine, a peddavu kuda unnai. I think I like this one. Is it the same? Oh, this is so watery. No, thank you. That's jelly.
Shopping at Asda's in the bag. Please wait while we verify your bags. Receipt. Don't forget to scan your rewards card. Please take your items. Please take your items.
Shopping anta ayipindi and now we have to go home now. I feel like I'm the last one in the mall and a guy before me. So I just hope I can get out of the mall before they close it, or else I have to take like a long route and go, which I don't want to. So let's see. They've closed it. Look, guys, I talasanam chesna and it's raining. Worst combination ever, and chali kuda vastundi. I hate it. It's so cold. I'm also, the other thing is, jari padtam because it's all slippery. So I can't run and it's windy and rainy. Let's go. Guys, if I was out there for a couple more minutes, I would have died of hypothermia because look at my hands. They're frozen and painful, but we made it home safe. And my tammudu inka intiki raledu, so let's just unpack all the groceries that I've got. But the main thing that I'm really excited for is to have my ice creams with some jello and some choco chips on the top. Of course, manam ellin panokati but jarigindokati, but that's life. What can you expect? You go for one thing and then you end up with something else. But the good thing is I did get gift for my brother. That's good. Em iyalo assal ardham kavatలేదు, guys. When they were kids, it was super easy for me to decide what to get, but as they've grown up now, it's so hard. Oh my god, have my eggs damaged? They're perfect. As they're adults and they're gonna be teens soon, I feel like gifts for girls are genuinely super easy to think of. Maybe because I'm a girl or because girls are, I don't know. I feel like if it's Anjana, even if she grows up so much, even if she's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, it's super easy to gift her something. But guys, it's so hard. It's so hard to gift guys anything. So, I feel like girls are... Okay, eclairs. This is my recent obsession. I don't know, how many of you like eclairs? Guys, if you have been seeing my vlog until now and if you like eclairs, or if you don't like eclairs, or if you know someone who like eclairs, comment down and put a chocolate symbol so I know you've watched it so far. I like to not bite on it, just I will supper it to it until it melts. That's when you get the real kick. Jello, jam or conserve, ice cream and choco chips. I need to find a dabba to put these choco chips. Actually they're baking choco chips. Or same as baking choco chips. I have no idea. Okay, I'll quickly studying this all and I'll come back. Hi guys. So ఇప్పుడు నేను మీకు ఐస్ క్రీమ్ ఎలా తినాలో చూపిస్తా. I'll show you how to eat my perfect ice cream. So first you need is this ice cream. This is from Mackey's in the flavor honeycomb. Their original ice cream is also really nice, but I absolutely love their honeycomb flavor. So what you have to do is open it. It doesn't smell anything. Okay. So I don't have a scooper, so I'm gonna take this dosa genti to scoop it. Okay. If you have a scooper, well. If you don't have a scooper, you can just DIY it from a dosa genti. Yeah. And then take one. Come on. It's really mild. My favorite chocolate flavor is mint choco chip, but I didn't have any mint choco chip today. That's why I'm gonna eat this. Oh, it's so nice. Okay. Ice cream appude ayipoladu guys. And now you need some choco chips and add couple of choco chips in paina. How many choco chips are too many choco chips guys? And an extra dose of flavor is this jello. This is their strawberry jello. Ooh. Look at that wiggle. Take some, add it on the side. Ooh. Okay. This is for my brother now. So this is my ice cream. So the perfect bite is ice cream with choco chips and a little bit of jello. Cheers. I just love it. I like to have jello on its own as well. Every bite need to have at least 3 choco chips. ఓకే గైస్, సో బయట చల్ల వచ్చేసరికి నాకు చల్లిగా అనిపిస్తుంది ఒళ్ళంతా అండ్ తల కూడా తడిచిపోయింది. బట్ ఎనీవే మా తమ్ముడు అక్కడ నాకు డిన్నర్ చేస్తున్నారు మా ఇద్దరి కోసం. అండ్ టుడే ఈజ్ అ ఫ్రైడే, సో చాలా టైం ఉంది. జస్ట్ పరడికి తెచ్చిన గిఫ్ట్స్ కూడా టుషి ఆల్రెడీ ర్యాప్ చేసిన పెద్దగా ఏం లేదు. బట్ నా నేను ఏం చేస్తానంటే వెళ్ళి ఐమ్ గోనా చేంజ్ ఇన్ టు మై నైట్ వేర్, రియలీ కంఫర్టబుల్ మెత్తగా ఉండే నైట్ వేర్ అండ్ జడగు నీట్గా అల్లుకుని విల్ గో ఆన్ టు ది హాల్. మనకు చూపిస్తాం మీకు. And then we'll put on a really nice Telugu movie because Telugu is my comfort movies guys. Like English movies, Hindi movies kuda ishtam, but when I need comfort, it's either Big Bang Theory, Young Sheldon or any Telugu movie. So edo okati pettukuntam ippudu and then nice ga food tinesi night anta koncham late ga melkuni we'll watch some series, we'll watch some movies and then we'll go to bed. Sounds perfect. So ippude night dress changes kosa. Okay, I've just changed into my night dress. I'm gonna go have some really nice food, watch some movies and then I'm coming to talk to you guys. నేను ఇప్పుడు హాల్లో కి వెళ్తే మా తమ్ముడికి కెమెరా పెద్ద నచ్చదు. So I'm gonna leave you guys here. We're gonna, oh god, look at how red it is. It's okay. వస్తుంటాయి పోతుంటాయి, వాటిని పెద్ద పట్టించుకోకూడదు గైస్. ఈ రోజు ఉంటాయి, ఇంకొక 2-3 రోజుల్లో ఉండవు. So don't spoil your today for the stuff that's gonna go. Anyway, నేను ఒక నీట్గా బన్ వేసుకుంటా. మై బ్రదర్ మేడ్ బ్రెడ్ ఉప్మా. Really excited. నిన్న నేను చేసిన, it was very bad, so he made it himself today. So I'm gonna go eat, watch some movies and come and talk to you. Until then stay here. నేను వచ్చి మాట్లాడతా. Guys, నిద్ర నాకు కళ్ళు వెనకాల ఉంది. If I just sleep and close my eyes for 5 minutes, నేను డీప్ స్లీప్లో ఉంటా. I am that tired. I'm having headache also. ఒక సిరీస్ చూసాం, ఇట్స్ కాల్డ్ మిస్ అండ్ హర్ సంథింగ్. ఇట్స్ మర్డర్ ఇన్వెస్టిగేటింగ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ సిరీస్ విచ్ వాస్ ప్రిటీ కూల్. నేను ఒక్క ఎపిసోడ్ చూసాను అంతే అండ్ ఐ జస్ట్ కుడెంట్ స్టాండ్, మై హెడ్ వాజ్ ఏకింగ్. ఇక్కడ చేయబెడితే కూడా చాలా వేడిగా ఉంది. బట్ యు నో వాట్, ఐ హ్యాడ్ టు ఫోల్డ్ సమ్ క్లోత్స్, బట్ అదైతే అవ్వదు ఈరోజు. సో అందుకని ఇవన్నీ తీసుకుని ఐమ్ గోనా పుట్ దెమ్ ఆన్ మై చైర్. ప్రతి ఇంట్లో ఐఎమ్ ప్రిటీ షూర్ ఒక చైర్ ఉంటుంది వేర్ యూ పుట్ అన్ని అన్వాంటెడ్ సామాన్లు అండ్ దెన్ పుష్ ఇట్ టు ది ఎండ్ అండ్ దెన్ యూ విల్ సోర్ట్ ఇట్ అవుట్. అట్లాంటిదే అది. ఈవెన్ మై టేబుల్ ఇస్ అ మెస్. అది రేపుటికి చూసుకుందాం గైస్. ఐ హ్యావ్ నో పేషెన్స్. అండ్ ఫర్ మై హెయిర్ ఐ జస్ట్ కెనాట్. So what we will do is hair anta తీసుకుందాం. We will put it into a bun. I'm pretty sure everyone has one of these lazy days. అక్కడ మీకు అసలు పైకి కూడా లేయాలనిపించదు. This is one of those days for me. I don't know why I feel so weak, but I am. My skincare also, I'm just throwing it there. I will deal with it later on. Water will leave guys. Okay, let me go get some water. My brother is watching Akhanda 2 movie. I'm telling you, I don't have that much guts to watch. We're all ready, guys. Where is my lip balm? This is my lip balm. This is like an all-in-one balm. In the lips, if I feel dry on my hands, I use it everywhere. It's a really nice balm. Well, my charger also ikkade undi. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, show some love. Next vlog is gonna be a little big vlog. Endukante rape we are going to an adventure island to celebrate my Paradhi's birthday. So I will take you guys with me. Until then, stay very, very safe. I will see you guys again every Sunday, Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays. Sunday, Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays. So yeah, I'll see you 4 times a week. And don't forget to watch my videos. Show some love. We're so close to 100k. Let's make it 100k. And ఏదో చెప్పాలనుకున్నాను guys. Stay safe. ఇక్కడ ఫ్లూ సీజన్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది. ఒక్కసారి ఫ్లూ వస్తే అస్సలు పోవట్లేదు. సో బీ వెరీ వెరీ కేర్ఫుల్. హ్యావ్ యువర్ ఇమ్యూనిటీ బూస్టర్స్ అండ్ డోంట్ గో ఇన్ ద కోల్డ్ without covering yourself. And that's it. Bye.